Hello everyone, welcome back to Beauty of Fashion. Today we are diving the world of modern women fashion, especially facing on unique design that can lift your style game to change. Whole new level. The neckline of an outfit plays a significant role in defining its overall look and feel. Whether you read dressing up for formal occasion or keeping it casual, choosing the right neck design can make all the difference. So let's explore the theme of the trendist neck design that are dominating the fashion scan right now. Off-shoulder neckline are perfect for showcasing your collarbone and shoulder. They add a touch of elegance and a femininity to any outfit, whether it's a flowy dress or a stylish top. The keyhole neckline is all about stable eller. Its feature is small, often circle or teardrop shaped, cut out at the neckline, adding a hint of naturality to your ensemble. A classic tool that never gets out of style, the V neckline is a universal floating. It's elegant as the neck and draw attention to the face, making it a go-to option for both casual and formal wear. For these who want to make a statement, the halter neckline is the way to go. It's a constant the shoulder and back wall, providing a chic and sophisticated look. Here are just a 5 examples of the money neck design available for women clothing. Whether you prefer something bold and drawing or subtle and understated, their unique design out there to suit every taste and occasion. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion tips and inspiration. Next time, stay stylish. Thanks for watching.